Hey guys, it's Guru HD here, and in this video I will be showing you a review of the Logitech Wireless Solder Keyboard 750. The Logitech K750 is only $59.95 on Amazon, making it even cheaper than the Apple keyboard. So let's get started. This light-powered wireless keyboard makes battery hassles a thing of the past. The solar cells work in any light, including the one on your desk, so the keyboard stays charged and ready to use even when you're typing in the dark. That means no battery changes and no wires. What's even more amazing is that it stays charged for at least 3 months in total darkness. Thanks to the standard Mac layout, all the familiar Mac keys you're used to are exactly where you expect them, including the music and brightness controls, command keys, and even the eject key. This full-size keyboard makes typing a breeze, with its concave keycap designed for faster, quieter, and more comfortable typing hour after hour. And the silver glossy finish is only a plus. On the bottom of the keyboard, you can see 2 pull-out prongs for easier typing. Setup is a breeze with the tiny Logitech unifying receiver. It's so small it can stay in your notebook without you even noticing. The Logitech keyboard is even better than all the other keyboards out there. That's why I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 star review. It was a solar powered feature that put it over the top of every single other keyboard manufacturer out there, even Apple. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, remember to hit that like button, and also remember to check out the link in the description. Thanks one more time guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video.